Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety and alignment. Check bit tightness in the collet and match shank size. Clamp your work firmly. Once done, set the depth stop to the first pass, for example 1/8 inch. Use a scrap piece to test the bit in depth because you want predictable chips and no tear out. Feed direction matters. Move left to right on outside edges versus right to left for inside cuts. Keep hands clear and wear eye and hearing protection. You maintain control by gripping the palm router with both hands and keeping a steady, moderate feed speed. This prevents burn and chatter. Once you're comfortable, make multiple shallow passes. Each one refines the cut, rather than forcing a deep single pass, which strains the motor. Use an edge guide or fence to guarantee straight profiles, and orient the router base flat to the work. If you need a curved profile, move smoothly and let the bit do the cutting, because aggressive pushing causes tear out. You finish by cleaning up the routed edge. Sand with the grain and remove any burn marks using fine grit. Once done, inspect the bit for dullness if you see burn or tear out. Dull bits cause poor cuts, so replace promptly. If you encounter chatter or vibration, slow your feed or reduce RPM, then retest on scrap until the cut is smooth. Finally, blow or vacuum dust from the collet and store the router in a dry case.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.